How to Start a Journaling Habit, a Beginner's Guide. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to journal. Number 1. Set your intentions. Before you start journaling, take a moment to reflect on why you want to journal. Is it for self-reflection, emotional release, goal setting, or something else? Understanding your intentions will help guide your journaling process. Number 2. Choose your journal. Decide whether you want to use a physical journal, a digital journaling app, or even just a blank document on your computer. Choose a format that feels comfortable and accessible to you. Number 3. Set aside time. Allocate a specific time each day or week for journaling. Consistency is key to developing a journaling habit. It could be in the morning to set intentions for the day, at night to reflect on the day's events, or any other time that works best for you. Number 4. Create a relaxing environment. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can focus without distractions. You might want to light a candle, play calming music, or sip on a cup of tea to create a relaxing atmosphere. Number 5. Start writing. Begin by writing the date at the top of the page or document to mark the entry. Then let your thoughts flow freely onto the page. Do not worry about grammar, spelling, or punctuation. This is for your eyes only. Number 6. Choose a journaling style. There are many different styles of journaling, so choose one that resonates with you. Free writing. Write whatever comes to mind without censoring or editing yourself. Prompt-based. Use journaling prompts to guide your writing and spark inspiration. Gratitude journaling. Write down things you are grateful for to cultivate a positive mindset. Reflective journaling. Reflect on your experiences, emotions, and thoughts, exploring deeper insights into yourself. Goal-oriented journaling. Set specific goals and track your progress towards achieving them. Be honest and authentic. Journaling is a space for you to be completely honest with yourself. Write without judgment or self-censorship. Allow yourself to explore your true feelings and emotions. Review and reflect. Periodically review your past journal entries to reflect on your growth, patterns, and insights. This can help you gain clarity and perspective on your life journey. Number 9. Experiment and evolve. Don't be afraid to experiment with different journaling techniques and styles. Your journaling practice can evolve over time as you discover what works best for you. And before we proceed, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Number 10. Stay consistent. Make journaling a regular part of your routine. Even on days when you don't feel like writing, try to show up to your journaling practice. Consistency is key to reaping the full benefits of journaling. Number 11. Celebrate your progress. Celebrate your commitment to journaling and the insights you gain along the way. Acknowledge the positive impact it has on your mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to journal. It is a personal practice that can be tailored to suit your individual needs and preferences. So enjoy the process and let your journal be a trusted companion in your journey of self-discovery and growth. As we come to the end of this video, I want to leave you with a magical quote that has the power to uplift and inspire. Believe in the magic within you, for it is the spark that ignites dreams into reality. Remember, you are capable of achieving extraordinary things, and the journey ahead is filled with endless possibilities. Embrace your uniqueness, follow your passions, and trust in your inner wisdom to guide you towards your dreams. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more uplifting content. Together, let us spread positivity and magic wherever we go. Until next time, stay blessed, stay inspired, and always believe in the magic of your dreams. Bye for now.